When I think about growing up, so many memories come to mind. I grew up in a small village where life was simple and peaceful. The village was surrounded by fields, forests, and a small river. There wasn't much technology back then, no smartphones or video games, so most of our fun happened outdoors. One of my favorite memories is from when I was around 10 years old. My friends and I had this big dream of building a treehouse. We found the perfect tree in the middle of the forest, a tall, sturdy oak with wide branches. It wasn't easy. We didn't have proper tools and none of us really knew what we were doing. We used old wooden planks and ropes that we found in our parents' garages. Sometimes the planks wouldn't stay in place and other times we argued about how big the treehouse should be. But after weeks of effort, it was finally finished. It wasn't perfect, far from it. The floor was uneven and the roof leaked when it rained, but to us it was magical. We spent entire afternoons in that treehouse telling stories, pretending to be pirates, and even bringing snacks up there. It became our secret hideout, a place where we felt free and invincible. Looking back, I realized that building the treehouse taught us about teamwork and determination, even though we didn't realize it at the time. But growing up wasn't just about fun. As I got older, life became more serious. I started having more responsibilities. I remember the first time my parents asked me to help with the family chores. At first I didn't like it. Cleaning the house, helping my mom in the kitchen, or looking after my younger siblings felt like such a burden. I would have much rather been playing outside or reading my favorite books. But little by little, I began to understand why these tasks were important. They taught me to be patient, to manage my time, and to appreciate the effort that goes into running a household. One of the biggest milestones in my life was starting high school. I remember my first day so clearly. I was nervous, shy, and worried about making new friends. Everything felt so big and unfamiliar. But within a few weeks, I got used to the new environment. I made friends, joined a couple of clubs, and even started enjoying some of my classes, especially English and art. High school taught me the value of stepping out of my comfort zone and trying new things. Growing up wasn't always easy. There were moments of doubt and fear, like when I had to choose my future career or make a difficult decision. But there were also moments of pure joy and discovery. I learned that every stage of life comes with its own challenges and rewards. Childhood is full of freedom and imagination, but growing up gives you the chance to shape your own path. Now, as an adult, I often think back to those days in the village, to the treehouse and the laughter, to the lessons I learned from my family and friends. Growing up is a journey that never really ends. Even now, I'm still learning, still growing, still figuring things out. And that's the beauty of life. Good job listening to the story till the end. Here are the new words from the story. Listen with definitions and examples. Don't forget to make notes. Adventure, an exciting or unusual experience. Example, building a treehouse was an unforgettable adventure. Treehouse, a small structure built in a tree, often for children to play in. Example, we spent entire afternoons playing in the treehouse. Sturdy, strong and not easily damaged. Example, we chose a sturdy oak tree for our treehouse. Planks, long flat pieces of wood. Example, we used old planks to build the floor of the treehouse. Responsibilities, duties or tasks that you are required to do. Example, as I got older, I had more responsibilities at home. Teamwork, the act of working together with others to achieve a goal. Example, building the treehouse taught us the value of teamwork. Milestone, an important event or achievement in someone's life. Example, starting high school was a big milestone for me. Nostalgia, a sentimental longing for the past. Example, thinking about the treehouse fills me with nostalgia. Comfort zone, a situation where you feel safe and at ease. Example, high school helped me step out of my comfort zone. Freedom, the power to act, think, or speak without restrictions. Example, childhood felt like a time of endless freedom. Determination, the quality of being persistent and not giving up. Example, we showed great determination to finish the treehouse. Chores, small jobs or tasks at home. Example, I had to help with chores like cleaning and cooking. Gratitude, a feeling of thankfulness. Example, I look back with gratitude for the lessons I learned. Journey, the process of going from one stage to another. Example, growing up is a journey filled with challenges. Well done. I really appreciate your efforts to improve your English. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like button. See you soon.